Yo, what's up guys, Making Mods here again with the PS4. I'm done modding with the PS3, so yeah, now here we are with the PS4 on 5.50, the latest update. As you can see here, give me a second. Oh, sorry for the recording with the phone. It's just that I sold my Elgato and I will be getting one soon, so yeah. As you can see, it says 5.50. So yeah, it's been a web exploit released from a developer. This is the website right here, and this is the exploit. As you can see, it says succeeded, and then right here is the directory of my PS4. So that's a good advance. As you can see here, this is my directory, like the memory on my the PS4, like the hard drive and stuff. Like this is all my stuff in the PS4. So that's a great advance. That means it will be a jailbreak, like the Hombrews, PKGs, all of that stuff coming soon. So yeah, just stay tuned to my channel and I will keep you updated on everything. Oh, and also on Twitter, they have been posting a lot of Twitter like jailbreaks and stuff. So yeah, be aware. Bye guys.